So you may ask yourself, Sleeper Dude, what are you doing working on a minivan? Well, mystery man, Matthew Tyler, he drove this thing into a pole, jumped right out in front of him. He wants to get the bumper back out where it goes. Well, what a lot of people do is they make the mistake of trying to push these things out cold, and they get all lumpy, and it'll still be a little lumpy, but what you have to do is heat these things up to get them back out. So I'm going to show you how to do that. We got a Harbor Freight-ish heat gun here, and we're going to heat the whole area around it, and then we're going to try to push this back out and reattach the bumper. I'm in my pajamas. You're welcome.
Are you scared? Huh? Are you scared?
So take your time when you're doing this. Heat the whole area, even past what you're doing. I just keep moving around real slow, trying to get the whole thing hot.
Are you on 1 hot or 2 hots?
I'm on 2 hots. Full boost here. Let's see how it works. You keep heating it, especially right here where it's really... See, when you heat it like that, it goes back to its form. With a bumper, a lot of times those bumper repair places, they'll put the bumpers down in like a big hot tank and get the whole bumper hot. These plastic bumpers, when you superheat them like that, they want to go back to their original form. I'm gonna take this screw out of here at the corner. Have we got any creases anywhere? We're pretty good, aren't we?
I think they're golden.
Maybe you're out there. You can't sit in one place too long or you'll bubble the paint off of it.
I don't think they'll notice at this rate. I mean, have you seen the rest of the van?
Come on. So if we can snap that back in there, like that right there, and maybe get a screw in it enough to hold it, his parents won't know.
Too late for that.
A little too late. You should have come by here first, huh?
There you go. Disaster averted. And if you rip the tab off there like that and it won't stay in, if you pop this out and put some glue in that channel and hold it back on there, it'll stay. We used to do it all the time. So thanks for watching Sleeper Dude 2, and hopefully that'll help somebody that's trying to fix their mess up as well. Glad you guys could see me in my pajamas.
Meow. Is this pajamas here?
Well, it's been about a minute later. Feel that, Ralphie? Still hot, isn't it? Drive safely, sir.
No promises.
Help us, Jesus.